Hey guys. This is CXPEAS05 here. Do you want to consider hitting that subscribe button to get more latest content from CXP himself? Don't miss out on it. Smash that like and subscribe buttons and twist that notification bell.
Bro, I was legit playing Roblox. All this happened. This is gonna get WWG and KHB. Water spout possible. Wait, that's it? Oh, the only call sign for is only water spouts.
Thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally.
I was just playing Roblox and all this happened.
Your coastal waters forecast for the area for the following marine locations: Charlotte Harbor and
Golly.
from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing water spouts were located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles west of Englewood to 16 nautical miles west of Clearwater. After nautical moving east at 20 knots. Hazard water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots. Footers and water spouts can quickly form and capsize boats.
Yeah, just use KHB.
Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations and tactics include Clearwater Pass, Clearwater Beach, and Claude Key, Indian Shore Reef, Madeira Beach Reef, Indian Rock Reef. Flood warning now in effect until 2.
God.
Florida Bay, including Barnes Sound, Blackwater Sound, and Buttonwood Sound, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:55 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Whale Harbor, moving northwest at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, National Weather Service meteorologist. Impact, Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Locations in the warning include Coon Key, Whale Harbor, Twin Keys, Florida Bay, Steamboat Channel, Little Rabbit Key, and Cotton Key. Boaters should seek safe harbor as quickly and as safely as possible. When downpours reduce visibility, slow down.
Flood warning in effect from Tuesday evening. Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Horse Creek, New York. Tuesday evening until 12 feet. Access roads and acres is inaccessible. Additional details at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Main stage was 11.5 feet.
Here we go, 1055.
Are possible thereafter. Minor flooding is forecast.
WZJZ.
Horse Creek, New York, Arcadia, AS 472. Flood warning in effect from Tuesday evening until further notice. Minor flooding is forecast.
There, Jack.
Water stage was 11.5 feet.
WCKT.
Rainfall stage is 12 feet. Road expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow evening and continue rising to 12.4 feet Thursday morning. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Flood stage is 12 feet. Flood warning now in effect until https www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Caution is urged when walking near riverbanks. Additional information is available at www.weather.gov.
Yep, for the 5th day in a row.
Statement will be issued late tonight by 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Additional information is available at www.weather.gov. The next statement will be issued late tonight.
Country1071.com to win.
Golly. I knew it. For the 5th day in a row.